Good day everyone. I'm Carl Justin Banggalan, along here with my co-members, and I'm the coder, editor, and programmer of Exodus.
I am Kerovin Aguilar, the designer of Exodus.
Hello everyone, my name is Andre Jen Isargos, and I'm the coder and designer for this group.
Good day everyone. My name is Maria Francia Omela, the designer of Exodus Group.
Hi, this is Kerovin of Exodus, and in this AP number 11, we use FM jumper cables 3 pieces and MM jumper cables 3 pieces and one 10K potentiometer 1 piece and 1 servo.
Hi, so we're now here at our AP11, which is interacting with servo. So first, we built up the servo motor, which has 3 wires. So you have to connect the red wire to 5 voltage of Arduino, brown or black wire to connect to ground or GND, orange or yellow wire to connect to pin 9. And the next one is to connect your potentiometer. So first, you connect the middle pin of the potentiometer to A0, which is the analog input. Next one is to connect one side pin to 5 volt. And the last one is to connect the other side pin to GND. So that's all that we do in our AP11, which is interacting with servo. So here's now for our coding time. So for our code, we have here we start by including the servo library, which gives us easy command to control a servo motor. Then here, we create a servo object named myServo. This object will control our servo. We define that the potential meter is connected to A0, and we make a variable called val to hold the readings. In the setup function, we attach our servo to pin 9 so Arduino knows where it's connected. Inside the loop, we first read the potentiometer. This gives us a value from 0 to 1023. We use the map function to convert the potentiometer value into an angle between 0 degrees and 180 degrees, since that's the servo range. Here, we tell servo to move to that angle. Finally, we'll wait a 15 millisecond to give the servo time to move before reading again. That's all, and thank you.